backwards instead of turning my kayak and it almost tipped over on me. I know, right? I just don't want to lose any shit. I can swim, I'm good. I just don't want to fucking... I mean, the water ain't even that cold, honestly. It's nice. Considering it's a river and it's been fucking shitty lately and we're gonna rain fucking Saturday again, but that sucks. The fucking weekend, every fucking weekend, man. As bad as I hated Florida, I'm ready to go back with the weather. Oh yeah. You're right, pretty much. I think we'll have a long, I think what it is the summer goes longer into the year. Free lobster. Or you go to the pier and just offer a fucking bunch of weed for some free lobster to the guys getting off the boat. There's a lot of people around here that are, I think. Oh yeah. What is that? Is that a shelf of dirt or like a log going along that? Is it a log or rock? It's a rock? Yeah, it's a rock. Is it square? It looks like it's a foundation. See, it's a fucking Native American temple floor. Nobody believes me. I don't think we came this far. I don't know, I thought we went to that cove way in and that was it. That's what I mean, is it some kind of Native American floor to a fucking... What is it? Oh shit. I don't know if I'm hooked up or I got a fucking fish. I think I'm hooked up. Pretty sure I'm hooked up. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, you. Huh?
I almost remember going around.
We might have, but I thought that was Lake Arrowhead that we went around and did all that far. You don't remember? I don't know. I don't remember. I got something, but I don't know what the fuck it is. It's definitely coming up too. I think it's a turtle. Or a body or something, because it ain't fighting, but it's...
Better at controlling your robot?
I might be pulling me towards it. What?
I said if you were better at controlling that little robot thing, this would be a good place to go look at.
Oh, I'm pretty good. Whoa, what the fuck is this? I could bring it here, but if I'm hooking up on shit like this, like, what is this? I don't know if I'm pulling me towards it or I'm pulling it towards me. It's so weird because it feels like it's coming up out of the water. Oh no, I'm pulling me towards it. Fuck. What is it? I don't know. It ain't coming up, whatever it is. Oh my god, it wants to come up. Whoa, shit. There it is. It came up like a fucking herd of turtles. It almost sent me fucking flying. Time to stop fishing for a minute. All right, let's do this here. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? You know, right now, you know what time it is, I'm saying? I know what time it is. It's time to find a beach, open that cooler, get a dew, smoke a blunt. Let's go see what's over here around this cove. We might have to hijack that little beach between those little trailers over there. Look, over that way. We're literally headed towards like South Portland area to the ocean.
Really?
Yeah, this whole river goes that way. It's a long ass way, but I mean, yeah, it goes down through Buxton, down through Hollis, fucking.
That looks like a shit ton of ducks.
Oh, what?
Where that green floaty thing is?
I don't see any green floaty thing. Oh, way over there, yeah.
Over in that little opening. Looks like a bunch of ducks.
Right on the left side of it? Or somewhere else?
On the right.
Oh, no. I don't see any ducks. I don't see any ducks. I see a stump that looks like a big dick, though. Yeah, I see it right after that green thing on the right sticking up. It looks like it's got balls in the bottom. Hey, this is look. Look over here. You got some tree wood. Some tree wood. Come on, where's there a beach? Man, that's a pretty big yard over there where that green thing is, where that house is. It's fucking huge. I'd have it all mowed. I couldn't live, like, I couldn't have a yard like that and not do something with it.
I would make like a maze down it.
Something. I mean, why use it? Why not do something with it? You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like a corn maze. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She don't live there no more?
Huh?
She don't live there no more?
You live there.
Uh-oh. Where? Oh, I don't know. That could be the river. That could be the... Oh, it's our property, it looks like. I don't know. We can go check it out. Let's go check it out. If the grass wasn't so tall, I'd say we park right there, tie up, because there's a dock.